For teacher Subhashri Raut, a school day now begins with a walk across the villages where her students live. At selected points in each village, usually near a student's house, she holds outdoor classes after ensuring that COVID protocols are followed. A small group of children from the neighborhood converge there for the class in the open. The classes have a mix of physical and digital resources. The teacher's mobile is used for online research. Today, the students are preparing a chart on the number of people infected with coronavirus across the world. The Johns Hopkins University website has been accessed for the latest information.
जो आमे कोरोना पाई जो केते कोठी कोरोना अछि से पर ग्राफ कलु आ जो वर्ल्ड मैप रो मानचित्र भी कलु कोठी केते कोरोना है छी.
The pandemic is reshaping education. Like Raut, 700 teachers are reaching out to 35,000 children in 2,600 villages in remote tribal districts of Odisha and Jharkhand. They are part of the lockdown learning program, which has emerged out of the 1,000 Schools program established by the Tata Steel Foundation and the NGO Aspire.
हम बच्चों के साथ बात किए कि कोरोना के बारे में पपेट करना है, पपेट करना है तो कौन कौन के कैरेक्टर लेना है और क्या क्या उसमें डालना है, कौन सा स्किट डालना है.
से डॉक्टर को देखा कला डॉक्टर कहले साम तुमको कोरोना है से जाई त आगर ठिया.
Each teacher covers about 60 children, giving them weekly learning tasks which are specially designed by a central team. The teachers meet each child twice a week.
स्कूल को जाई परले ने जा फल पाठ पढ़ ता दुर्बल होला तांकर से सब बंद हो जाई छी. हां ई प्रोग्राम तो ठीक चल छी. छुआंकर बुद्धि ज्ञान एथरे बेसी आगो छी.
गवर्नमेंट का जो स्कूल है यहाँ बहुत हॉस्टल है सरकार के तरफ से, लेकिन वो भी अभी बंद हो गया है. वो लड़का लड़की लोग सब घर में ही रहते हैं, इसीलिए इन लोगों ने अच्छा काम करते हैं.
A majority of these children are first-generation learners with deep learning deficits and were previously part of the Learning Enrichment Program by the Tata Steel Foundation and Aspire. Even during the pandemic, the teachers ensure the link to education remains unbroken.
With the pandemic resulting in school closures, we felt very strongly about maintaining the continuity of children's learning. So we had to substantially redesign the learning component of our 1,000 Schools program, and this enabled us to reach all children in every last habitation of the program area.
The learning tasks go beyond the school curriculum to broaden their horizons. The students are picking up technology, improving their language abilities and becoming self-directed learners. While the state government announced a plan to transition children to online learning, the program survey had shown that only 14% of these children had access to smartphones.
एवं तापरे प्रायतः मोर एनरोलमेंट 62 अछंती किंतु मात्र 20 जन पाखरे स्मार्टफोन अवेलेबल आ जो 42 माने नाही तांका पाखु आमे डोर टू डोर जाइंकी पिलांको को हमर ऑफलाइन ने जा मो निज मोबाइल ले तांको नै कि से टैक्स गुडा हम कराई.
फूलर रस संग्रह करे आउ कोन करे
आगे जते बेले आगे स्कूल रा में आसिलो आगे सेते बेले ऑनलाइन द्वारा पढा होतिला. हम पाकर तो मोबाइल नथिला, आमे पढी पार नथिलो. जते बेले दीदी आसिले माने हमकु पढी माने पाठ पढिबा पय आग्रह हैला.
The outdoors are now a living classroom where the assignments encourage children to be creative, to observe nature and to seek information. At Kearjhar, a predominantly Santhal village, students are interviewing parent farmers and their neighbors in the paddy fields. The focus of the study is on agricultural implements like the sickle they are using to reap the crop.
उसको पूछा कि धान जो काट रहे हैं हम लोग नीचे क्यों काटना है, उसको 3-4 सेंटीमीटर ऊपर क्यों काट रहे हैं। वो पूछा, वो बोला कि ज़्यादा हम नीचे काटेंगे तो वो लेने में थोड़ा दिक्कत आएगा और वो ज़्यादा भारी हो जाएगा।
वो तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, खाने का भी भूल जाएगा वो। जो क्या भी साथ देता है पाठ में, वो नेट जगह सर्च करता है, एक बार नहीं, 2 बार नहीं, बार करता है।
The lessons from the ground have made children engage with the science behind agricultural activities like irrigation, plowing and planting of seeds. The children have tabulated information, made drawings and clay models and collected seeds.
This is important, and during the movement, as per teacher man, they have reached to the student.
Exhibitions at different primary schools showcase the variety of learning tasks that they worked on during the period. In Tangaria Pal village, teacher Gayatri Barik, as part of a gender series, introduces children to women achievers like mountaineer Bajendri Pal and sportswoman Duti Chand. Pal was invited to address the children in an online session.
अच्छा ही लगता है कि हमारे देश के लड़कियां भी बहुत ताकतवर हैं।
The task also involved a discussion on the multiple responsibilities fulfilled by a mother at home, from working on the land to managing the home and kitchen, the children's studies, the family's health needs and finances.
घर के लिए बहुत कुछ कर रही है, घर में उनका काम तो खत्म ही नहीं होता है, बाहर का काम भी वो देखते हैं, ये इतना काम मैं भी नहीं कर सकता।
The 1000 Schools program ensures that learning never stops.